Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 CMD command prompt would not open or not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all right click, go to your task manager. After that, select a Windows command processor. Select it and click on End Task and close it. Right click on a desktop, click on New, click on a shortcut. Now after that type C column backslash Windows backslash system32 backslash CMD dot exe. Click next to continue. Set a name is cmd.exe. Click finish to it. Right click, click on properties. Sorry, right click, click show more options. Go to your properties. Go to your advanced options. Click on run as administrator. Click OK and apply and OK button. Now open it. The next method is that in the search box type system sysdm.cpl. Open it. Go to your advanced options. After doing this stat, click on environment variables. After doing this stat, select a path. Click on new. Double click on a path. Click on new. And after that, click on browse. Go to your C drive. Go to your system32. Click on new. Click on browse. Go to your this PC and C drive. Scroll down and find out of Windows. After that, find out a system32. Click on OK. Click on new. Browse. Go to your this PC and go to your C drive. And after doing this stat, scroll down and find out Windows. No, find out a SYS was 64. Select it, click on OK button, click on OK and OK and apply. After doing this stat, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this stat, your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.